Hello students, in this video rest of the questions and answers of chapter 2 diversity and discrimination of class 6 NCERT civics is available. Answer the following questions. Question number 5. Enumerate the most common forms of discrimination practiced in India. The most common forms of discrimination practiced in India are economic inequality divides the society into a class of rich and people who are poor. Untouchability is the most common form of discrimination practiced in India. Question number 6. List the steps taken by the Government of India to remove discrimination. Point 1. Every citizen has been guaranteed equal rights and opportunities. Untouchability is regarded as a crime and legally abolished. All religions are treated equal and people have freedom to follow their religion and express themselves freely. Next question. What do you understand by the term Dalit? Dalit is a term used for the people belonging to so-called lower caste or classes. The government refers to this group as scheduled caste SC as the castes are listed in the Constitution. Several provisions are made to uplift their status in society. Now question number 8. Write the differences between discrimination and stereotype. Discrimination. Discrimination makes place where people act on prejudice. People can discriminate against others on the basis of customs, practices, religion, gender, language, food habits, occupation, caste, etc. It prevents brotherhood among people and thus goes against the unity and integrity of the country. Now, a stereotype. When we fix people into one image, we create a stereotype. People are placed as a particular example of something. This image is created for them by the society. A stereotype causes differences in society. Such opinions regarding any individual prevent us from looking at the qualities of the other people. A stereotype leads to hearted enmity amongst the people. Such opinions prevailing in the society must be discouraged because a country can never develop with the feelings amongst its citizens. Okay, thank you.